Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the failed to create GitHub repository error in Google AI Studio. All right, let's begin. First, try reconnecting your GitHub account. Open GitHub, click your profile icon in the top right corner, and go to Settings. From there, open Applications and locate Google AI Studio under both Installed GitHub Apps and Authorized GitHub Apps. Remove Google AI Studio from both sections by uninstalling the app and revoking its access permissions. Once completed, return to Google AI Studio and try connecting your GitHub account again to create the repository. If the error still appears, the second method is the one that worked for me. Open a new incognito or private browser window. In Microsoft Edge, this is called in private window, while in Google Chrome, it is called incognito mode. After opening the private window, sign in again to both GitHub and Google AI Studio. Then try creating the repository once more. In my case, the repository was created successfully in the private window, while the normal browser session continued showing the authentication error. So that's basically how you can fix the failed to create GitHub repository error in Google AI Studio. That's it for this video. Thanks.